Morning guys and gals. Right, today's video is going to take a bit longer than I think it's going to be anticipated. Right, so it's like a trangia, but it's not a trans how do you say it? Trangia? Whatever. Don't know if you're talking to me outside. I think this is about 10 quid off eBay. I've not used it for a while, so you have to push down and bring them out. You see them?
What are you talking about?
Trangia.
What's that?
It's one of these. This is one of the originals.
Oh, I have no idea.
Okay, bye. Thanks for that.
Bye.
Work off. What do they work off? Best Lady Spirits. Anyway, so we're gonna cook lamb and potatoes. So we might be in for a long wait, but I won't keep you hanging on. I'll just wait till it starts to boil. So let me get you a bit closer. Put some of this in. Probably quite a bit really, because we're going to do the spuds first. So I'll empty that one. Nice smell. Okay, these are difficult to see when they're lit as well. Where's my knife? Where's my knife? Okay, it might be a little dark. I'll just close the door so you can see the effect. All right. There we go. These are quite clever the way they heat up, and then you'll see what happens. I'll zoom you in. I won't do all the cooking with you. I'm just showing you what the stoves are like. I've not used them for ages. You need they're fine weather stoves. They will, if you're going to use them outside, they will blow out quite easy. That's what you need. Right, you need windbreaks. Sorry, I'll finish the sentence off. So, while it's cooking and getting hot, I'll put some water in this. And you just keep watching it. Bit boring, I know. But it came with a stand as well, so for 10 quid, I think it was about 10 or 12 quid. I can't actually remember. You're probably thinking, what's going to happen? You'll see. Patience. I'll get my spuds ready. I better add to it. Where's my knife? It's coming. If I turn you off now, what will happen? It'll do it and then we'll miss it all. That's me cutting the spuds up. Right, okay. Here we go. Here we go, watch. Look at that. Can you see around the outsides? So it's got enough heat and then it builds the jets start coming up. It'll get a bit more than that yet. And that's what you want. The blue jets gives you the most heat. Hopefully it'll last for a while. I'll just close the door a bit more. Look at that. Look, watch. See that? See? Well worth waiting for that was, wasn't it? Hear it. This is like 10 quid off eBay, this one was, like I said, so let me come out. It will do better than that, but there we go. So quite stable as well, look. There we go. Let me just lower you down. Take the brake off. And as like I said, I like the simmer. I don't know about simmer. You can't do much on the way of simmer, but you can on a trangia. You can put the lid on it. But on these, the flame will reach out the whole pan. Right, let that cook for a bit. I'll bring it back when it comes to the boil. Okay, just coming to the boil now. So I'm not going to film all this because it'll take forever. I'll wait till they're cooked, if it cooks them. There you go. It's going well. I don't know how much fuel's left. I'll have a quick peek. Oh no, we're all right. All right, still got a bit of fuel left. Right, let that carry on. There you go. That's impressive. Okay, I'm going to change the pot over. I'm burning myself. There you go. Because I want some purple sprouting going in there as well. Nice. Organic purple sprouting. Okay, I'm going to move him across and put the steak on. Whoa, that's hot. Don't do that. There we go. So same sort of stand. When they're down, they are very good. This is the proper trangia. Put them in there. Got some more meths. Okay. Right, I'll come back when that ignites and you can see the difference. It's a slightly smaller flame. Working well. There we go. Showing you. I'll just check the potatoes. No, not yet, so lid back on for that. There you go, next one going. Okay, I think the far trangia might be just, I don't know, I'll check in a minute. I think the fuel might be running out, but there you go, this is what they call the proper trangia one. Looks like, no, she's coming. So I'll put the frying pan on here and I'm cooking some lamb on that. Bring it down. Not as, at the moment, sort of like you say, it's just central. So hopefully, see the difference between the two? But we'll see what happens. It's going to get hotter, so it might even, well, it's going now. It produces a good lot of heat. Not far off. Still going quite strong. Let's just check. Oh, we're nearly empty on the fuel. I don't really want to put any in while it's alive. It's alive! And this one should be doing alright now. How's he looking? No, it's alright. It hasn't got a wider spread as the other one. I know you like me there. Well, I'm doing this because I like doing it. There you go. So the other one's got a much wider spread. It's got a bigger diameter at the top, but the jets are slightly bigger. These are quite fine. So, but it's working fine. That's all that matters. That's a big slab of meat, that one. Oh, come on, turn over. There we go. Oh, if I can eat all that one, what can I? That one's out. So I'm going to put a bit more fuel in that now. You look like her all the time. You look like her all the time. You do. Yeah, you do. Start having a conversation, sorry. But that should fire up quite quickly now because it's still hot. Start putting back on. There you go, look straight away. Putting back on. Yeah, so they're coming up. I think I'm going to take one of these steaks home, I think. Because they're quite big. Look at that. That one's massive. On this one, this one here, this trangia, the proper one, I think that's a simmer control. Don't get me wrong, I've not used it a lot, so if anybody knows, if you want to leave a comment down below, please do, let me know. I mean, is it a, I know it shuts it off complete when you drop the lid on it, but I do believe it is a simmer control where it just comes through the top here, just the flames for simmering. You know me and my simmering. So if you know, please leave a link below if you know where's a good description on it. I've not used them much, so I don't know. I'm not going to be an expert on something I know nothing about. There we go. Just tried the biggest potato over there, and it's got about another 5 minutes to go. It's cooking it well. I hope I'm not boring you, but this is just cooker reviews, okay? There's a slight difference. I don't know what they're like on fuel, I've not tested them, but in theory, I've actually cooked a complete meal for two on two types of paraffin cookers. A trangia proper one, I'm not too sure what that was called. It might be called, it won't be called the trangia, this is the trangia. I don't know what that one's called, but paraffin stove. No, methylated spirit stove or paraffin, whatever. Methylated spirit. Pretty good. Yeah, not bad. A little wind coming in, but zoom in, zoom, focus, sorry guys. Yeah, it looks different, doesn't it? Different flows. Alright. Right, let's stop boring you. Got a colour then. Beautiful. Beautiful. I'll check the spuds again. Let me show you inside. Can you see that? Bubbling away. That one's nearly out. And if I just said I put halfway put extra half fuel on that. That's it, it's out. But that's fine because it's cooked and done. This one, I'll let that go out. Shouldn't be far off now. And then that's cooked as well. And it looks like it's starting to. That'll be going out soon as well. Well, I thought it was going out, but it's not. It's still going. I'll have to blow it out in a minute. Oh, stay. Oh, stay. Okay, still got a smidgen of fuel left. I won't get too close, I'll burn my phone. But conclusion on both cookers, very good. If you were camping, lightweight, so the size of it, with the stand, the little lid on it, these two on top. I think you can put fuel in it and take it with you because it's got a seal on the lid. I say so, but what I do is I bought these off Amazon. If I find out exactly where on Amazon I got them, I'll put a link in the description down below. But yeah, really handy. So you take one of those with you and you'll be right for a couple of days, I reckon. So she's just about to go out, I think. I'm just going to try something while you guys are here. So this is supposed to be able to simmer. So if I do, let's go about there, shall we? Yep. Says it all. So it can simmer. Not brilliant in the wind, so you'd have it in your tent. You'd have to be ultra vigilant, absolutely ultra vigilant. You wouldn't just light it and just leave it. You'd have to be, or, well, anyway. You could do it outside. You'd have to windbreak if it's windy. Apart from that, tiny little stoves, brilliant. Yeah, can't fault them. Cannot fault them. Thanks for watching. Well, I'll do this dinner, but you don't want to see this, I don't think. So, no, I'm not going to. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the vid, please give it a thumbs up. It helps the channel a lot. Where is it? Subscribe button over here. And next video coming up is over here. Thanks very much. Take care. Sorry, couldn't resist. There you go. 2 meals cooked on one trangia and one very similar trangia. I'm not going to call it a trangia because I might get into trouble. All right. There you go. Thanks very much.